Hello and welcome to Market Think Tank. We are proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis community in Pakistan, teaching you the skills to be more confident, effective and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of traders nationwide working together to learn charts, generate profit and achieve financial independence. For access to daily blog discussions, visit our website. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Everyone checking to Market Think Tank, hello to volatility and to KSE100 Index. Tons of volatility, multiple sessions of bear run in last week. In fact, similar of its kind when we entered in emerging market last year. Today is 26th of June and market is somehow positive so far. Market is continuously into the downward trend, making lower lows and lower highs. And remember, it is one of the longest bear rally in Pakistan's history when the market is continuously making lower lows and lower highs for the last 13 months. Even in 2018 we didn't see this kind of bear spell that lasted for about 9 months. So this month is also towards wrapping up quarterly charts, and so far if we look at the price movement from highs to lows, it's making the same lower lows pattern and lower highs. So the bearish trend is intact, and if you did see the retracement from highs to low is actually exactly the 61.8% of the Fibonacci number. And right now still, if you look at the December lows and to the recent April high, it almost took the same 50% retracement, and right now also the recent correction from the 37,000 to this 43,000, it almost took the 50% upward correction to the 44,000 level. So the Fibonacci is pretty much in from the high of 53,000 to 38,000. It took exactly the 61.8% retracement till 47,000. And now from 47 to 41 it took the another 50% retracement level. So the bears in full control right now after a fourth session of negative close. Bounced back from a key support levels today, just a single day move, in fact trying to pull back, but we need to build higher highs before we need to see the change. This is the trend line that is pretty much in place since 2012, and market is continuously taking support over the different time period to this trend line. Initially it started back in 2012 and got the first support in November, and then second support in the early 2013, and market then went up and took another support and then bounced back again to 53,000 high and to 53,000 high, and this is the low that the market touched in December 17, and this is the April high, April 2018 high, and then now right now and again the market is near this support line. So this is a very important support line. In fact, the market, the current rally since 2012, the market has taken several times support from this trend line. And yet again the market is trading near this important trend line. This is roughly around 40,000 level. And it is, remember, it is a upward sloping trend line, so every day passing this 40,000 level will come up. So any successive support, like in the past we have seen some supports on these lines, so any support on these lines will let market to go up from here, and of this support line can be dangerous. Anything below this level will turn the bears in full control overall, and I definitely be going to be watching this key support levels and how the market behaves around these lines, and if that will break, that will shift the momentum into a strong bear run. A weekly lower low and a lower high has been set up, and in the key trend line is to watch actually to see how the market reacts, because anything below 44,000 will turn market into lower low. It will not turn into the higher high. So any successive close above 47,000 might turn market into a higher highs level. And if you see the RSI momentum, so you see that previous bounce is from the same levels of oversold RSI, and keep an eye on the momentum indicator as well, that the RSI has cooled off since it touched the oversold level, and since then when the market is making new lows, RSI is not going down. So the sort of positive divergence into RSI, keep an eye on the RSI as well. The RSI is continuously giving a positive divergence on a daily charts, and any significant pressure and any strength into the momentum might turn RSI into bearish zone, but right now there is no indication from the RSI point of view. So the momentum is pretty much cool off on a downward trend, and the market has a support around 40k levels. So keep an eye on this trend line, guys. Hope to see some recoveries from these lines, and if the market breaks, so obviously we might see some negativity further. And that pretty much does it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and this is something which I have been asked for many times in the last couple of sessions, especially when the market was coming down continuously. So I'm really excited to be able to share some of these concepts with you. I hope you got something out of it, and if you did, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you hit the bell button, so every time I upload a video you would be notified. I'll see you guys into the next videos. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.